The storms came after a bank holiday weekend of hot and sunny weather. Worst hit was Western Germany, where several people died. Trees were brought down and public transport was disrupted. In the Netherlands, festival goers at the Pink Pop event were drenched. Other areas were also hit by lightning. In France, hailstones as large as golf balls fell in this small town near Paris. This man said the noise was like a war. While another resident was woken up by the sound of her car windows being broken by the hailstones.